Welcome to our channel, Say Why Chicken Thigh. In a previous video, we've demonstrated 8 different recipes that celebrate the fresh flavors of dandelion greens. And this time, we'll create crispy, air-fried dandelion flowers. Like the greens, the dandelion flowers are highly nutritious. But don't take my word for it. Go ahead and look up the numerous vitamins and minerals these overabundant wild superfoods contain. For this recipe, you'll want to harvest the sunniest yellow, fully opened dandelion flowers. Be sure your flowers are collected in an area free of pesticides and other toxins. Start by submerging the flowers in cold water to rinse off any debris. Lay the flower heads on a clean cloth or paper towel and lightly pat them dry. Next, set up a breading station with a bowl for your coating, a bowl for your breading, and a clean plate for the breaded flowers. We're using eggs for our coating and 3 parts plain breadcrumbs to 1 part cornmeal for our breading. Alternately, you can use milk or crushed crackers, or really any flavors that you enjoy when you bread and fry food will work really well with dandelion flowers as well. We like keeping the breading simple and pairing these crispy treats with flavorful dips and sauces. So we'll hold each flower head by the green bud, dip it in the egg, dredge it in the breadcrumbs, place it on a plate, and repeat until each flower head is breaded. Next, we'll place the breaded flower heads in a single layer in our air fryer basket and very generously spritz them with olive oil. Place the basket in the air fryer, attach the lid, and air fry it at 375 degrees for 8 minutes. No turning needed. Once you try these, I bet you'll never look at a field of dandelions the same way again. I hope you liked this video and this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel, Say Why Chicken Thigh, for more fantastically easy and delicious recipes.